Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the dead skin from your feet, especially the heel part. It gets tough. I usually do this solution every week, but for this tutorial, for this video, I have been not cleaning. So to show you how you can clean it up. Okay, what you need is salt, about a teaspoon about baking soda, half a lemon juice, teaspoon of vinegar, and hot water. And you need this is the best way to clean your feet, your elbows. It's just great. I just love it. For years I've been using these. I bought those expensive stones that you pay for a fortune. None of them work properly, but this just get rid of those dead skin. So I would highly recommend this. It's really hard on the elbow though, but on the feet it's just great. Okay, so let me just move my thingy here. So I have this foot. I bought those expensive foot massagers that you pay for a fortune. They're huge, they're heavy to carry around, right? Okay, so I'm going to dump. Just get all of the juice from the lemon here. Okay, so here's my teaspoon. Okay, full. Dump it there. Dump the lemon juice. Okay. I'm kind of greedy to go to the nail spa. You know, it costs you a fortune. They clean your feet, they clean your hands, and then they do the manicure, they do the pedicure. Okay, that's good. But, it adds up. It adds up. So I found a solution, and I've been, I don't know where you live, but here in Canada, I was paying $65 for pedicure. And it adds up, right? It adds up. So, just like this. It's more than a teaspoon, but that's okay. It's all natural. Okay, so the salt. Oh, it's going to be a little bit. Yeah, it can be over a teaspoon. That's okay. Nothing to worry about. Okay. And then just a little bit of, I use Dawn. You can use any soap. Just a little bit, less than a teaspoon. Okay, so I'm gonna add the water. This is boiled hot water, but I'm gonna put a little bit of cold water, right? I'm gonna mix this. And I will add some water from the tab. Just like this. Mix it nicely. Okay. Let me just bring some water from the tab. Okay, so I put water from the tab, and I'm just adding. Still hot. Yeah, maybe I should put some ice. You can do that too. I'll just go grab some ice from the fridge here. Just some little bit, because it's still cold. It's still hot. Okay, so I'm gonna add this ice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my feet sit in the water for half an hour. Let's go where I set it up. Okay, so I put a towel because I don't want to get it wet, right? And I brought my crochet here. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a tutorial and I'm going to sit here for about half an hour. Okay, so I brought the water and I'm going to put my feet in. Let me just move the camera. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step on okay, I'm going to turn the camera. Okay, so I have my feet, my both feet. I'm going to dump it. I hope it's not hot. Oh, it's still hot. Oh, yeah, because last time, yeah, all that, I need to put some more. Yeah, because it's pretty hot, pretty hot. Even I put some ice in, it's still hot. So what I'll do is I'll grab more ice because I don't want to burn myself, right? But then you get used to it. That's another thing. Yeah, but it's too hot. Yeah, okay, let me just grab some more ice and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added more ice, but it's still hot. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have dumped all the pot. So I'm going to count from now. I'm going to take a look at my time and I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and I will be right back to show you how to scrub, especially these areas. See, that's when it gets very tough. I believe when you turn, I don't know, I never had problems since I turned 45. Before that, I never had problems. They were so soft. I would put my feet cream and they would be always soft. But other than that, yeah. So unfortunately, they do turn very dry, especially in the winter. So this is how you can get rid of dead skin. And another thing I would like to mention is if you have hair on your toes here or anywhere here, don't worry. That means that you don't have high sugar. You're not a diabetic. That's another way. Because when I went to the doctor, my sugars were high. And then I went to this course here at north side of Edmonton, and they told me if you're a diabetic, you don't have hair on your feet because of the sugar, high level of sugar. So I thought that was a nice thing because I still have hair. I went to laser to get remove the hair, but unfortunately my hair is not black, so it doesn't get removed. It only works on black pollen hair, I believe. So and I said, okay, after 20 years trying to remove the hair, I gave up. So if you have hair, that's a good thing. You don't have high sugar. Okay, so I'm going to let it sit and I'll be right back 30 minutes later and we'll see how it's going to become. Just let it sit like this in the water for about, and you will notice that it's getting softened when you go like this. That means that it's working. The vinegar, the lemon. I use the both. You don't have to use, if you don't have lemon in the house, vinegar would work, just double it. But yeah, and it works very good with the baking soda. And I put a little bit of Dawn. You don't have to. I just put it because I use Dawn on my whites as well when I'm washing my whites. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been sitting for half an hour and you can feel it when you go like this. It's like slippery, shiny, slippery. You have that feeling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my scrubber and I'm holding the camera because let me see if I can put this on the tripod and I'll be back. Okay, I wanted to show you how to do it because I looked down YouTube and a lot of people don't show it. What they do is they skip that part, but we need how it's done, right? So I'm just going to move my foot And then what, you're going to grab this, I have this, and then you start scrubbing. All the dead skin be removed. See, you can see the white dead skin. So continue scrubbing. Scrub, scrub, scrub. This is the most try to scrub as hard as you can. And then you can use this part as well, this part on this tool, which I really like, because like I said, I bought brushes, I bought those natural stones, and none of them work, but this is the best. And try to do it every week to give this nice clean. See you will notice it right away, but for the video I wanted to show you, because when you do it every week you won't see that white spots that when you're scrubbing. You won't see it that much because you're cleaning it, getting rid of that dead skin. You can do this in the shower, but this method I would highly recommend to do it at least once a week. See, when you do it once a week, it won't be this bad at all, because I have waited to show. Try to do the other side as well. Okay, and then what you do is you do the other feet one at a time, and then you dry that feet just like that. Scrub, scrub, scrub. And then what I do is I put Vaseline with lemon, squeeze a little bit of lemon, and then put it on my feet. And I put socks on. I would highly recommend this when you go to bed, when you're going to bed. Right? So I will continue to scrub it all the way on the side, just like this, the sides, underneath, and work on it until you remove all the dead skin. See, it's not much because I do it often. And then I brush this. I put I wash it with vinegar, sanitize it, then I keep on using it. Okay, so I will finish removing the dead skin, and I will come back to show you how to put the Vaseline with lemon juice, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the lotion to put on your feet. I would advise you to do it one at a time, because you cannot store this, because we're going to be using lemon juice. Okay, so that's the reason. And you need Vaseline. So I'm just going to put a little bit, because this is pretty enough, and just a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, and I'm going to mix it with my finger just like this. This is all I'm doing. And I put Saran wrap, because this is Vaseline, right? Okay. And don't store it, because it's natural lemon juice, right? And what that lemon juice does is it softens your feet. Okay, so I'm going to move this, and I'm going to go back and sit after putting this Vaseline. This is plenty enough. Okay, so after putting the Vaseline, just to show you, just like this, put it all the way around your feet. Then try to, because it's Vaseline, right? See how soft it becomes? Even you can notice it's nice and soft. Nice and clean. Just like this. Try to massage. I know it's not like when you go to have your pedicure done, because you're doing it yourself, right? So just like this. And what you do is you put socks. Just like this, socks. Put socks on both feet, especially if you're going to bed. Nicely. Okay. I'll do the other one and I'll be right back. Ta-da! It's done. So I hope you liked this video. And then wear your socks when you're going to bed. Nice and clean. And I would highly recommend you to do it once a week. So it would be nice and soft and no cracks will happen. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. And don't be shy to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified. Take care, everybody. I'll see you on my next videos. Bye-bye.